अब तानाशाही वाली जगहों पे तानाशाही वाले लोग ही तो मिलेंगे ना, जैसे कि अजित पवार, one of the most influential Indian politician who is from the state of Maharashtra and is also known for his arrogance, aggression and ambitions. He is currently serving as the Deputy Chief Minister in Maharashtra and is known for his work, his ambition, and his visionary targets that he holds within and practically gets it out. Ajit Pawar is an Indian politician from Maharashtra and the nephew of the veteran politician Sharad Pawar. He was born into a powerful political family at his grandfather's place in Deol Ali Pravar. He was pursuing his primary schooling at Deol Ali Pravar while his uncle Sharad Pawar had already become a renowned political figure in the ruling Congress party in Maharashtra. After his schooling in Deol Ali, he was sent to Bombay, that is known as Mumbai now, to pursue his graduation. However, after the demise of his father, he left college and started looking after his family. Ajit Pawar entered into active politics in 1982 when he was elected to the board of a cooperative sugar factory in Pune. In 1991, he was elected to the Lok Sabha from Baramati constituency for the first time. However, when his uncle Sharad Pawar became the defense minister in P.V. Narasimha Rao's government, Ajit Pawar vacated his Lok Sabha seat in favor of his uncle Sharad Pawar. In the same year, he was elected to the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly from Baramati for the first time and went on to be re-elected from the same constituency in 1995, 1999, 2004, 2009 and 2014 respectively. Well, in his political career, so far he has handled number of portfolios including agriculture, finance, power and irrigation. Ajit Pawar is popularly known as Dada, that is elder brother, by his followers and close ones, mostly among the NCP Youth Party. The Pune-Pimpri Chinchwadi belt is considered to be Ajit Pawar's stronghold, in which he has a lot of builder community contacts in this region. Sources close to him quote that Ajit Pawar does not have any interest in cultural, art, films and technology, but only for expensive watches and pens. Ajit Pawar is a staunch Marathi speaker and is extremely uncomfortable in any other language. Ajit Pawar is known to be a very private person. He is not even seen in any of the parties or events, neither his wife Sunetra nor his two sons. In any of the campaign rallies, they have never been seen. But though Ajit Pawar is known for his punctuality and decisiveness. In 2019 Maharashtra Assembly elections, he won by 1,66,000 votes, which were the highest in the state. However, when the state witnessed a hung assembly in a dramatic turn, Ajit Pawar aligned with the BJP and took the oath of a deputy chief minister on 23rd November 2019. And that is when he apparently attached the attendance sheet of 54 NCP legislators to his covering letter and handed over to the governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Thank you for keeping with us till this time, and thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and let me know your views down the comments. Thank you.